caught in a hiccup fit? While they can be funny or annoying, do you ever wonder why we hiccup? Hiccups are involuntary contractions of the diaphragm, the muscle that separates your chest from your abdomen and plays a key role in breathing. Each contraction is followed by a sudden closure of your vocal cords, which produces the characteristic hic sound. Most hiccups are harmless and occur for no apparent reason. They often go away on their own without medical treatment. But why do things like holding your breath or drinking water help? Well, these methods might work by overloading the vagus nerve with signals, distracting it from the hiccup cycle. So, next time you get hiccups, not only will you know why it's happening but also have a clue on how to possibly stop them. Isn't that cool?